welcome to the channel. In this video we're just taking a break from showing you actually how to do something, but rather something that can be done. We had an old shed that was a catch-all on the corner of our property, and we decided to tear it down and replace it with a new shed. Additionally, we added some other seating area. We also we're heavy duty into DIY, and we like to repurpose and recycle. So you'll see some old pool flagstone that we had left over from having a swimming pool put in. You'll see old bricks, some roof turbines, the ventilators off of the neighbor's roof got thrown out. We repurposed those into some cool outdoor lights. Some wooden beams that we tore down out of a kitchen remodel and made those into our cool looking arbor. There's a wooden wire spool that we like to hold plants and display some of our geraniums on. Old metal gates that we found. Some wooden fencing that we repurposed, and some corrugated metal. So anyway, just have fun watching. Let us know if you have questions or comments. We love to answer questions, and we just think you'll find this project cool. This was the culmination of a 2-year project, and we're kind of proud of it, and it's just kind of a neat tucked away spot that we can enjoy. Stay down. I'm good. It's down.
I was gonna say, is it good?
It's good. Yeah. When you're not trying to save it, I got the chainsaw after it.
Yeah. You got an audience of a kitty cat in the window.
Oh yeah. The people were probably over there.
Oh yeah, probably. Yeah, that's down. And y'all think you're gonna take up the garden there and make
we'll redo
loop
it. Yeah,
around
we'll redo it. See, we're thinking about putting a new building right here.
Oh, just right on this side. Okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if y'all were still planning on going over there. Or...
See, I'm thinking. I told Mom, and this is just brainstorming. I was thinking about putting like a wooden fence.
Yeah.
All the way across right here.
Oh, okay.
To kind of block, what's back here.
Yeah.
But even the building would be part of the, blockage. But yeah. Yeah, I cut these out because I was trying not to break the glass. It's still